Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to see how I took my hair from brittle, dry, and tangled to shiny, soft, and bouncy, yes girl, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so for this hot oil treatment, I will be using organic extra virgin olive oil, the mint almond oil from Mielle Organics, this mango and lime Jamaican black castor oil, as well as just regular almond oil that I got from the beauty supply store. I'll also be using this applicator for my mixture just to make it easier to apply on the hair. And then you just need a container to warm your oil in. Now, usually I don't measure my oil. I just wait for the spirit of the ancestors to tell me when enough is enough. But for the purpose of this video, I will be using a 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon mint almond oil, about 2 tablespoons of the regular almond oil, and 1/8 of a cup of the mango lime black castor oil. Now I'm just adding some boiling hot water, and I'm going to let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes until the oil is nice and hot. If you can avoid using the microwave, do so the nutrients in the oil don't get lost. Alright, now it's time to get to work on these nappy roots. I'll be going in with just some water and my oil mixture. Now, the reason I'm using water is to help make the hair a little bit more manageable, and it also opens up the cuticles to help the oil penetrate the hair better. Honestly guys, I haven't washed my hair in about 3.5 weeks, so I've just kept it up with about 1,000 pins just to keep it out of my face. But yeah, so this is what my hair is looking like. It is completely dehydrated, it's dry and matted and tangled, and unfortunately I've noticed since I colored it that it's getting a lot drier than it usually does. But that's okay because I love the color, it's beautiful. Alright, so to get started, I'm going to try and section this into 4 working sections, and I'm not going to be too worried about making the lines perfect since this is just a pre-poo and prepping the hair for washing. Okay, now that that's done, basically what you're going to see me doing is spraying the section with a little bit of water. You can use as much as you need. And then I'm going to be finger detangling and loosening all the shed hairs just by cutting small sections and freeing the hair that way. Alright, now I will be going in with my oil mixture. So you just want to saturate the section completely with the oil, starting from your ends, working it all the way up to the roots. And feel free to be generous with the oil because you want it to work into the hair as much as possible. And that's about it, guys. Just do the same thing with all the other sections of your hair until all of it is completely covered in the oil. All done. The hair is oiled and I did 2-strand twists and put them up into these fake Bantu knots. So I'll be wearing a plastic cap just to trap in some heat. And since I'll be keeping this in overnight, I'm going in with an extra satin cap. And of course, I'll be using Old Faithful, my head wrap, to catch any oil that may drip out the sides. And voila! I'm back! This is the morning after. My hair is detangled and washed, and this was honestly the best and quickest wash day I've had in a very long time. As you can see, the hair is super soft and so moisturized. My fingers are just gliding through those strands, honey. If you guys are going to do this hot oil treatment or have done a hot oil treatment, leave me a comment down below and let me know what oils you love to use and how this treatment works for you. Now, obviously you don't have to keep this in overnight. I usually just do that because the longer it's in there, the longer it has time to do what it needs to do, okay? But yeah, I'm just going to twist this back up because I'll be stretching my hair throughout the day as it dries for the style that I'll be doing for the week. Don't forget to give this video a like and feel free to share it with your friends. I truly appreciate it. Real quick, I just wanted to come back and show you guys my hair once it's styled. I am in love with how this hair turned out. This is honestly the healthiest and softest it's been since I colored it. Love! Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys and see you in the next video. Bye!